How to connect GoDaddy Domain with Shopify. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign in to your Shopify account. Now, once you're signed in to your Shopify account, you'll need to head over to the settings section. To do that, you'll need to click on the settings button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Make sure to prepare your GoDaddy domain before you start with these steps. Once you're on the settings section, go ahead and head over to the domain section, which you'll find at the sidebar of the settings. Click on domains. Now in here, go ahead and click on connect existing domain to be able to connect your existing GoDaddy domain. Now in this section, you'll need to enter your GoDaddy domain and hit on the next button to be able to proceed with the next steps. You'll just need to follow the on-screen instructions to be able to connect your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify store.